I am illustrating a simple method to test a capacitor using a multimeter, and you can see that it has been placed in the continuity mode. This is the mode for checking continuity, and if I touch both sides together, you can hear a beep. That is a continuity mode. But for a capacitor, you don't expect a continuity. The terminals have been connected using crocodile clips. You can see one crocodile clip here to the negative portion, and that has been connected to negative port of the multimeter, and the positive port I am having connection with this crocodile clip, and I will show what happens when I connect it here. Look at the meter. Transiently it showed a figure and then it disappeared. That means initially there was a conduction and later there is no conduction. Now we will short the capacitor and discharge it. That has been discharged, and now we will test once again. Again, transiently you can see a current while the capacitor is being charged. Once the capacitor is fully charged, there is no flow across it and no resistance is being displayed because the resistance is very high and beyond the range of a continuity tester. That's why 1 is displayed. 1 means beyond range. If the capacitor is leaky, it will continue to show a current flow. In the days of analog multimeter, when we used to test it, the needle of the multimeter would flick once and then come back to 0. But if the capacitor is leaky, it will continue to show a current through the capacitor. Similarly, for this digital multimeter also, the value will be shown, a resistance type of value will be shown in the meter once the capacitor is leaky. If it is not leaky, as we have seen, initially during charging a value is shown and the value disappears. I have discharged the capacitor once again and I am going to test again. You can see that there will be a value initially which will change quickly. See? The resistance value was low initially and then it increased as the capacitor charged, and then it became beyond range. There is no flow across it. Now instead of using the continuity testing mode, I am using the 2000 ohm range. Let us see. You can see that initially there was a resistance which was increasing and then it went beyond that and nothing is shown. What remains is mounting this antenna and starting to test SWR, tuning. All those are tough jobs. I'll do it on another day.